going on, guys, and welcome back to Hacker in the Shop. And in this week's episode, we're going to go over a complete, not PDR, but GPR repair. Now, this panel was high strength steel, and it was large and complex. And honestly, I don't even think it would have been possible without utilizing GPR. And some of the tools that made this repair possible is one, the KECO mounted hitch tower, the red and blue slappers, the black swan, and the super tabs, dead center super tabs, and centipedes. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Sit back, relax, and I'll see you at the end. So as you can see here, we have a very large complex dent, sharp crowns, and a really deep crease. So first I'm going to go ahead and buff it, making sure to remove any contaminants that may hinder the glue from getting a maximum pull. And after I'm done buffing it, I'm going to go ahead and get my 99% isopropyl alcohol and clean it very well, always following the 6 C's. Next, we're going to check our temp, we're going to check what substrate we are working on, and we're going to heat that panel to at least 120 degrees just to remove all the humidity and moisture out of that panel. Next, we're going to choose and coat. So I'm going to choose super tabs, dead center super tabs, centipedes, and my KECO mounted hitch tower, and we are going to coat every single one of those tabs completely. Now moving on to the 5th C, and that is correct. So we're going to add tension to the lows while knocking down the crowns. And we're going to repeat this process while following the 6 C's until we have reversed the damage and my skill threshold has been realized. And remember, make sure your panel temps are in that 70 to 85 degree range while making pulls. Now I have great access to the back side, so I'm going to continue using my Black Swan to correct some of those lows, as opposed to a traditional body hammer that would mar the back side up pretty bad. Now doing the same thing to the front side, correcting some of those highs while using your light. Now that my skill threshold has been realized, we are going to move into the last and final C, and that is continue. So we're going to continue with our body work, and then off to the paint shop we go. Alright, so there you have it guys, a complete GPR repair. And if you have any questions about how KECO made this repair possible, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at KECO Body Repair Products, also at www.kecotabs.com. So guys, like it, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more Hacker in the Shop.